Akshra from Akshra Calligraphy. Today I'm going to be sharing a long overdue video of my Singapore Daiso haul. It contains a lot of bullet journal supplies, memo pads, stickers and a lot of stationery. So let's get into it.
To start off the haul, I got these daily essential stickers for bullet journaling. These are perfect for everyday use, like if I have to travel to get some work done, emails, important notes, etc. I can easily mark them. Next, I have these two different types of sticky notes. One is the standard rectangle shape but in very pastel earthy colors, and the other one has a polka dot pattern on it. They complement each other very nicely. And I think this was my best find in Daiso. So I got a washi tape with all the days written on it, and the other one is a combination of solid grey and stripe patterns. I got another masking tape, which is a beautiful gold foil work all over it. It's a flowery, starry pattern, and the design is engraved into it, so it has a very nice texture to it. And I also got this polka dot design masking tape to use while painting and stuff. I hope you guys can see it properly. So I got two of those because these are frequently used. For crafting, I got this craft punch, which has a very flower design. It's great for adding fancy borders anywhere. Then I got these foil stickers in star and heart shape. I really liked the variety of sizes that it had. Next, I got these designer sheets. They come in 4 designs and there are 20 of each sheets. The first one that we have is this light brown, really deep basket, which would be great for closet organization. Another one is this beautiful pastel pink basket. It has these gorgeous cutouts on the sides, and you can either keep it on the desk to organize your notebooks or files, papers, etc. Next, I got this CD box from Daiso. It has a really nice handle and a very sturdy latch. I intend to use it as a medicine box or a first aid kit for me. The quality of this is very good and it's very handy to carry. Now, this is a must have for every girl, a jewelry organizer. It has these 3 different compartments, keep everything in one place, and it looks really pretty on the dresser. I also got this white colored organizer with 3 separate components. It has the same cut out design as before with a corner style so you can keep it on the counter. Next, I have this classic wire mesh pattern pen stand with magnets on the back. So you can either keep it or stick it on your lockers or any magnetic surface. Now for the cutest little organizer slash box. It has a very sleek silver box with transparent lid and a magnetic back. I just love how cute this looks. You can stick it anywhere or customize it to yourself. Also, I got this chic looking basket with a red and black mosaic pattern on it. It'll look really pretty on the nightstand. Next to last, we have this glass looking sturdy organizer. Now, the best thing about this organizer is that it has movable compartments. That is, if you don't want one, you can even remove it or just adjust them according to your own need. Finally, the last one that we have is a set of these 3 brown organizers. These 3 are almost similar in pattern. The white color of this breaks the monotony of the whole set. These are perfect for a complete room setting. Now, this is my absolute favorite category. It starts with this cute beer memo pad saying hello. Comes in 2 colors, pink and blue. These have a very pastel shade to them, giving it a very aesthetic look. Next, I have this diamond shaped notebook. It has a very aesthetic feel to it, and I've seen Instagrammers using it. I was so excited to try this out. My favorite in this category are these two book style memo pads. Now, this one is a pastel pink and says, "My dream has barely started," in foil. Okay, this one has a very canvas feel to it, and I'll show you how they look. So they open up like this, and they have a magnetic closure. In the miscellaneous category, we start off with the magnetic tape. I got this to DIY some fridge magnets, but if you have some other ideas, let me know in the comments below. Next is this lunchbox. It's a 750 ml lunchbox with a really nice quality. The latch works good, and I really like the transparent cover of it. Now, this is one of my guilty indulgences, a coffee time notepad. I'm a big coffee lover, and this was a must have for me. It has a very glossy cover, and the pages inside look stained with coffee. It has a cute doodle in the corner saying, "Enjoying my life." Another cute item that I got are these heart shaped paper clips. Love the design, love the color, they're absolutely cute. Now, this is something I've wanted to have my hands on since so long. These are aesthetic looking golden binder clips with very different design. I also got a keychain that says 7 gods of good luck. So I find mythology very interesting and thought that would be a very nice addition with the new decade coming up. Next, I got these two alcohol markers with dual tips. One side is a chisel tip and the other is a bullet one. Now, both are in different shades of grey. The second last item is this 30-second timer. Now, I know it doesn't look like a timer, but if you keep it vertical, that's how long it takes the liquid to settle down. Last but not the least, I have this cute bamboo box. You can keep your Tinkrets in it, and it adds a instant color pop to any place.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. Comment down below your favorite stationery item from this haul. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you later.